A tiny baby sea turtle inside a breakfast burger at the seaside.
But first half, one question. How did a baby sea turtle get inside a breakfast burger? Watch and find out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lily English Stories. Something very special is waiting at the beach today. The family is at the seaside. Lily, Tom, Mia and Max are here for a holiday. The sea is beautiful.
Look, honey, breakfast. Oh, Tom, it looks delicious. Mommy, look at the cakes.
I'll have the biggest breakfast you've got.
Oh, wait, maybe 2 eggs.
Actually, forget that. How about the giant pancake stack?
Tom's breakfast burger arrived. It was enormous. It had an egg, bacon, and sausage. Tom was very happy. Tom looked at his burger carefully. Something was different. Something was there. Something small and green. A tiny baby sea turtle was inside the burger. He had big green eyes and a beautiful round shell.
The waiter said sorry. He said the turtle came from the sea. He came through the kitchen window.
Oh, no, I am so sorry. Hello, little one.
His name is Donnie. And everyone agreed.
What do we do now? He needs to go back. Yes. We must take Donnie back to the sea.
Let us learn some sea words. Turtle, seagull, crab, jellyfish, seahorse, dolphin. Say them with me.
Tom put Donnie in his hat. A wet napkin too, to keep him comfortable. Tom walked very carefully. Max wanted to smell Donnie. Tom said, "No, Max."
Max sat down, but his nose kept going. He was very curious.
They walked to the beach together. Tom carried Donnie in the hat. The sea was getting closer.
Don't be scared. We will take you home. You will be okay.
Donnie listened. They arrived at the beach.
Warm, golden sand. The sea was beautiful and blue.
Max loved the sand.
Max ran on the beach, round and round. A wave touched his paws. He was surprised. Then he did it again. Lily found a quiet place near the rocks. The water was calm and shallow. It was a perfect place for Donnie.
Ocean words: wave, tide, shore, rock pool, current, deep. These are our sea words. Say them.
Tom held the hat near the water. Donnie looked at the sea. He looked back at the family. Everyone was very quiet. Donnie touched the water. He floated. He was so small and so beautiful. He was home. This was his home.
Donnie turned around. He looked back at Mia. She put her hand in the water. He touched it. Goodbye, Donnie.
Donnie swam away, faster and faster. He was so good at swimming. He was going home to the deep sea.
Mia sat at the water and thought about Donnie. Tom sat with her. They did not need any words. Beautiful.
H-E-wee!
Tom ran after the seagull. He ran and ran. Max ran too. But the seagull was always just too high.
Lily watched Tom and the seagull. She drank her tea. She was very calm. She was very amused. Poor Tom. Feeling words: surprised, gentle, worried, grateful, brave, caring. These are our feeling words. Say them.
Mia found a beautiful rock pool. She saw small crabs and tiny fish. She looked and did not touch.
Tom put his hand in the rock pool. A crab grabbed his finger. It held on and held on.
Ow! Let go. Max found a small crab. The crab was not scared. It lifted its claws. Max did not know what to do. Funny. Why was Donnie in the burger? At night, baby turtles go to the sea. But Donnie followed the wrong light. Nature words: hatch, nest, moonlight, Instinct, habitat, wild. These are our turtle words. Say them.
Tom got ice cream for everyone. 5 ice creams. He carried them all. It was very difficult, but he did it.
Max wanted Tom's ice cream. He watched every lick. Tom moved it left, then right. Max followed always.
Mia drew a picture of Donnie. She drew him in the sea, swimming and happy. She worked very carefully. Time to pack up.
Wait, Dad, like this.
Oh, right. Thanks, honey.
Let's put the basket together.
They walked back together. Mia held Lily's hand and Tom's hand. The sun was beautiful on the sea. Will Donnie be okay?
Yes, he is home now. He knows what to do. He is safe.
Important words. Rescue, protect, release, safe, return, care. These are our most important words today. There was sand everywhere. In their shoes, in their bags, in their hair.
Nope, definitely not that. Nope.
What about this?
Yes,
Yes, that's it. Good choice.
perfect.
Mia showed everyone her drawing of Donnie.
It is beautiful, Mia.
He looks very happy there.
And then, little Donnie took his burger and put on his hat. He walked to the water's edge and swam out to sea.
Max was completely asleep, 4 paws in the air. He was very tired after his big day on the beach.
In the morning, Mia found a letter in her sketchbook. It was from Donnie. He said thank you. He said goodbye.
Mia showed Tom the letter.
Tom looked very surprised. Was it Tom? Was it really Donnie?
Mia did not ask.
It's the best surprise.
Memory words. Remember, special, moment, treasure, story, forever. Keep these words in your heart.
They went back to the same cafe. Tom checked his burger carefully this time, just in case.
The waiter laughed.
Mia found a toy turtle in the gift shop.
He looked just like Donnie.
Big eyes and a round shell. Perfect.
His name is Donnie, too. Perfect. At home, Mia told her friend about Donnie. She used her hands to explain. No. Really? Yes, really. Mia made a school project about sea turtles. It was beautiful. She put her drawing of Donnie in the center.
Important words for our world. Protect, endangered, conservation, recycle, clean.
And this is Donnie, who showed me everything about the sea. So how does Donnie know where the eggs are? Well, the mother turtle always returns to the same beach. Excellent, Mia.
Sea turtles have 7 species, right? And they migrate thousands of miles. They have these amazing nesting rituals, digging nests with their back flippers.
Sea turtles have these amazing shells, see? And they swim like this. Very important.
Mia put Donnie's letter in her special memory box. Safe with her other treasures. Always there. Always remembered. Next summer.
We're going back to look for Donnie.
To say hello.
He agreed. Somewhere in the sea, Donnie was swimming. He was free. He was wild. He was home. Maybe they will find him.
Venture words. Discover, explore, adventure, unexpected, wonderful, unforgettable. This was our adventure today.
Tom made himself a certificate. Official Sea Turtle Rescuer.
Yes, Dad, that is correct. Very official.
Max was asleep at home, but in his dream pond, he was at the beach, running in the sand again. Max loved the beach. Mia wrote the story of Donnie in her journal. She wrote every detail. She did not want to forget anything.
Look at that one, that's definitely it.
Maybe.
Could one of those be Donnie?
Nobody knows. We'll keep watching. Donnie, too, went everywhere with Mia. Breakfast, school, the library. He was always with her. Always.
Thank you so much for watching Finding Donnie. Subscribe to Lily English Stories for a new story every week.
Mia thought about her favorite moment. The moment Donnie touched her hand in the water. She smiled. Always.
Somewhere in the sea tonight, Donnie was swimming. He was alive and free. He was safe. Good night, Donnie. Today we learned so many words. Sea words, feeling words, nature words, and memory words. Fantastic work.
Goodbye from Mia and Max. And Donnie, too. We will see you next week for another story. Bye-bye.
Goodbye from all of us. Lily, Tom, Mia,
And Max.
and Donnie, too. See you in the next story. Bye-bye-bye. New easy English stories every single week. Subscribe now and never miss a story. See you very, very soon.